How to change username on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will give you a quick tutorial on how to change your username on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. So how to change your username on Shopify. Now keep in mind that we have a store name and then there is a username, a user who is actually created this store. Let me show you the difference between store name and the username. So if I go to my store details, and you can see right here, this is my store name. And then if I go to my user and permission, I will be able to show you store owner, which is my name. So if you want to change the store owner, this is actually a complicated thing. Not complicated, but it is a big thing because you will be changing your ownership if you change your name from here. So if you want to actually transfer your ownership to someone else, you will simply click on transfer ownership. It can be your another account as well because we need a new email address right here, first name, last name, and password. So if you enter a new email and a new name here, the name, username will be changed right here. And this is how we can simply change our username, but keep in mind that it will be like changing your ownership. But if you want to add another person as a staff, then you can add them from here. If you want to change your store name, which is this one right here on display, you can go to store details, go to basic information, edit, and it will allow you to simply change your store name or legal name of the company. And then you can just click on done and close. And your basic information will be changed from here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.